Today I'm here with my friend Jamie, the accent wall lady, and we are going to learn a thing or two about all the things she can do with a plain wall. And we all know there's far too many cookie cutter homes, right, Jamie? So first of all, give us a little backstory on how this business came to be.
I'm kind of a jack of all trades person, so I was refinishing furniture, building furniture during COVID. It kept me very busy. And then a couple friends asked us if we could do an accent wall for them. So we started in friends' homes, and I posted on a couple of Facebook groups, and it just literally took off. 400 walls later, and almost 4 years into it, we're still just rocking.
You go all over the metroplex. We're here in Trophy Club today, but yes, you go all over.
We do. We in Trophy Club, Keller, South Lake. We go all the way to Rockwall.
Wow.
All over.
Okay. It's a little behind the scenes, like the process. If let's say I'm a client,
sure,
and I call you and I say, "Hey, Jamie, I have an idea." Is it usually like they show you a Pinterest picture, or
yes,
how does it get started?
Conversation started with just seeing what their vision is. A lot of people don't have a vision, so we can do consultations where I can help with that that design aspect of it, but just kind of get an idea of what they want, and then I customize it to the wall. I got all that in my head, and so that's that's pretty much how we get going.
Give you an idea, or you help them with the idea, then they show you the space. Obviously, sure, that's going to dictate what you can and can't do.
Absolutely. And most designs, some people look at an inspiration and say, "But this doesn't look like my wall." I'm like, that's where I come in.
Yeah,
is I can take or if a design won't work, I can suggest something else.
Right.
Yes, I'm a very honest person.
Oh, good. Sometimes what you see in a magazine is not
absolutely. AI now, it creates images a lot of times that people are seeing and think that can be done, but it's not real. That's my job to kind of guide them in the right direction.
So if you come up with a design, most of them you're dealing with trim and molding.
Yes.
Okay.
That is, and paint. We from start to finish. We prep everything. We cover the floors. We plastic over so that there's no paint spray. Eventually, you'll see the light fixture that we install. We pretty much take it from start to finish.
Okay. There might be a few more things that go with the project,
yes,
right? Well, you've got, I'm guessing sometimes you need scaffolding.
And scaffolding in this one, yes.
Okay.
Yes. Leaning ladders, yes. We work on a lot of tall ceilings.
Not afraid of heights.
I used to be, not anymore. Now I'll climb with that scaffolding.
Oh, Lord, I'm very scared of heights. We go hiking in the mountains, and I'm just like, I couldn't do that. We're in this home in Trophy Club that you just worked on. So obviously this was a blank.
It was a blank wall. It was kind of a camel tones, beige, I guess you could say.
The beige, everybody knows.
Yes.
Builder beige.
Builder beige. We needed to figure out how we were going to incorporate both walls. We had an inspiration picture that had the same trim design, and so we just needed to make it work on the space. And we also mounted the TV, working the design
around the TV.
Yeah, so it was a new TV. It was a bigger TV. So those are all the little aspects that you don't really think about when you're doing a project.
Right.
But there's a lot of detail that goes into it.
I see the molding.
Mm-hmm. So this is a double molding.
What does that
sometimes mean? It's just your base, your board without the trim molding. Sometimes it's just the picture frame molding.
Okay.
But this one we doubled it up. It gives it a lot more dimension and texture.
Okay.
So the base molding goes on first, and then we create the boxes inside with the decorative molding.
Wow.
So it really just, it elevates it a lot.
So are you drawing this out?
I'm not a computer savvy person.
Okay.
So ChatGPT has been my best friend.
That's right.
But it doesn't always cooperate. So I sketch it out.
Some measurements and how big you want the boxes.
Yes, I give each client usually 1 to 3 options depending on what design it is for them to pick and see what they like. And I mean, for this one you can see we started with the fireplace determined when we started, so that it kind of frames that out as well.
Yeah.
Yep. And so we install, we prep, we do all the caulking, patching, sand it, clean it, and then paint it.
So just so people have a frame of reference, how long did this project? This is pretty big.
We started on a Monday and we were done by Thursday.
Okay.
So and generally, we painted the ceiling.
Ceiling, and check out this light fixture. This is amazing. Which obviously became part of the scope of the work. Since you're already going to have the scaffolding up, you guys
might as well do it while we're here. That's what I always tell our clients. If you have anything else that you need us to do while we're here, let's go ahead and knock it out for you.
Oh, that's amazing. How many light bulbs are in that thing?
54 light
54 light bulbs. And had to get that up there. So you've got scaffolding, and it sounds like you have a crew that works with
I
you.
do. I've got a 2-man crew. We don't contract any work out. It is the same crew every job.
Nice.
We have most of our work is repeat clientele. So our guys or our clients love our guys. They're clean, they're professional, and they do amazing. 3 of us. Occasionally, you'll find me on a job actually installing a wall.
Oh,
So I'm still in action, but yeah, I'm trying to,
because I think you said it started out you and your husband.
It was me and my
right?
husband.
Okay.
Yes, we worked together for 2 years. We did amazing work together, but it was time for us to go on our separate journeys professionally.
Right.
So yeah, I found Housey on Marlin, and we've just been rocking it out since.
Oh, I love that so much. Well, thank you for showing up. Wait to see more of your projects. And how do people find you?
We have the Accident Hall Lady Facebook page. That is where you're going to find most of our work. I post everything on the Facebook page.
Okay.
We also have an Instagram page, and it has all the contact information on there.
Perfect. Great. Thanks so much,
Absolutely.
Jamie. I love it.
Yeah.